Hi, Falcons. Happy Friday. Yay. Today is Friday, January 29th, 2021. Hola a todos. Hoy es viernes, el día 29 de enero. As always, we want to start by reminding you, boys and girls community, that we are Falcons and that Falcons always soar high. This means that we show respect, own our actions, act safely, and rise to the challenge. Somos falcones y los falcones muestran respeto, somos dueños de nuestras acciones, actuamos de forma segura y estamos a la altura del desafío. If you had a birthday this week, we do want to wish you a very happy birthday. We hope that you had a fantastic day. Si tenían cumpleaños, feliz cumpleaños a todos ustedes. We do want to start our announcements, as always, for thanking our families and our staff for their positive attitudes, flexibility, and support. All of your dedication. We know that we are stronger together. Como siempre, queremos empezar los anuncios dando gracias a las familias, los maestros, por todas sus actitudes positivas, su flexibilidad, su apoyo y su dedicación. Somos más fuertes juntos. Please, 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 families, continue to stay informed. You can do that by following us on Twitter and Facebook, downloading the McAllen ISD app onto your phones, checking the McAllen ISD and Fields Elementary websites, and also by making sure that you're connected on Class Dojo and checking our school and class stories. Por favor, que se queden informados. Pueden hacer eso de seguirnos en Twitter y en Facebook. Agarra la aplicación de McAllen ISD en sus teléfonos. Consulten los sitios web de McAllen ISD de Fields y también para estar informados en Class Dojo en todos los mensajes que salen ahí también. Here is our February parent newsletter. This has also been shared in your email and on Class Dojo, as well as on social media. So these are some parent meetings that are taking place in February. So we have some meetings on Ready Rosie, some meetings on STAR, and then just different ideas for our families. Estos son los juntas de padres que van a estar en febrero. Eso también puedes encontrar en su correspondencia electrónico y también en Class Dojo. Ahí están las fechas de las juntas si quieren asistir a las juntas. More important information, I know we continue to remind you that February 15th, if you have selected face-to-face or combination as the best option for your families, our teachers and staff will be returning to campus that day. Una fecha muy importante, si escogieron cara a cara o combinación, a lo mejor opción de su familia, los maestros van a regresar el día 15 de febrero a la escuela. If you haven't purchased your yearbook yet, Falcons, please make sure and get those orders in. You can order your yearbook at pictavo.com. Hoy es tiempo para comprar su anuario. Si necesitas comprarlo, pueden hacer eso en el sitio web de pictavo.com. We are celebrating Thank You Day. Today, January 29th, is National Thank You Day. Estamos celebrando el día de decir gracias. El día 29 de enero es el día de decir gracias, que se dice Thank You Day. Y queremos empezar dando gracias al señor Alvarado, que es en el school board, que ayuda mucho a servir a nuestra comunidad. We want to start Thank You Day by wishing Mr. Alvarado and all of our school board representatives a very happy School Board Appreciation Month. Thank you so much for serving us and for serving our community. And so we do want to start our Thank You Day by celebrating Mr. Alvarado, who is our campus school board representative. So thank you so much, Mr. Alvarado and McAllen ISD's Board of Trustees for all that you do for our students, our staff, and our community. We appreciate your service to our community. And again, today is Falcon Thank You Day. We want to make sure that everyone gets those thank yous in, and we want to thank all of our families, our community. Thank you so much for everything that you do to continue to support the learning that happens here at school. We know that we are definitely stronger together, and we want to thank each and every one of you. We also want to thank our staff for the amazing work that they do in this unprecedented time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Words cannot express how thankful we are for the staff that we have and the community that we serve. En este día queremos decir gracias a todos ustedes, la comunidad, los padres, las familias que nos apoyan y que están aquí todo el tiempo con nosotros, dándonos apoyo. También queremos decir gracias a todas las maestras, maestros y los empleados aquí en la escuela por todo lo que hacen para los niños y para la comunidad. Our spelling bee is coming soon, so you should be registered. That will be on February 1st. If you are interested in participating, that will be happening then. If you have not signed up, please see Ms. Santoyo or Ms. Salinas. You can find them on Class Dojo. Ya va a estar tiempo para el Spelling Bee. Eso es el lunes. Si necesitan más información, por favor que hablan con Ms. Santoyo o Ms. Salinas en Class Dojo. We do want to take a moment to congratulate our Teacher of the Year for our 2021 school year, Mrs. Veronica Bailly. Congratulations, Mrs. Bailly. Very well-deserved honor. And thank you so much for representing Fields Elementary and for all of the work that you do. We are so proud of you. And thank you again so much for everything that you do. And congratulations on this very well-deserved honor. Felicidades a Ms. Bailly, que estaba seleccionada de la maestra del año para nuestra escuela. Muchas felicidades a ella. Y muchísimas gracias por todo el trabajo que hace. Now for our awards and recognitions for this week.
Good morning, I'm here to announce the winners of this week's Dream Box Challenge. Remember, boys and girls, you need 5 lessons a week. Buenas tardes, Fields Falcons. Ahorita estamos anunciando todos los ganadores de Dream Box. Recuerden que necesitan 5 lecturas a la semana. Pre-K is Haley Canales. Para Kinder is Ashley Romero. Primero, Thomas Ponce. Segundo, Valeria Ortiz. Tercero, Aaron Elias. Cuarto, Zoe Pulido. Quinto, Atlantis James. Way to go, Atlantis, holding that top spot for the 3rd week in a row. And remember, boys and girls, you need 5 lessons a week. Recuerden, niños y niñas, necesitan 5 lecturas a la semana. Los veo la próxima semana.
Thank you, Ms. Campos, and great job, boys and girls. We want to see those names coming out on here for completing those Dreambox lessons.
Happy Friday, Falcons. This is Ms. Santoyo. I am here to announce our top Smarty Ants students for this week. Feliz viernes a todos, soy Ms. Santoyo y estoy aquí para anunciar a nuestros alumnos que sobresalieron esta semana en Smarty Ants. In Pre-K, we have Isabela Campos. In Kinder, we have Angel Canales. In 1st grade, Israel Gonzalez. In 2nd grade, Andrew Ruiz. In 3rd grade, Jesse Palomino. And in 5th grade, Atlantis James. Great job, boys and girls. Continue to use Smarty Ants every single week for 25 minutes. Muy bien, trabajo a todos. Felicidades usando el programa de Smarty Ants. Recuerden de usarlo todos los días por 25 minutos. I will see you guys next week. Los veo la próxima semana.
Thank you, Ms. Santoyo, and congratulations, boys and girls. And remember to keep on using Smarty Ants.
Hey, Fields Falcons, this is Ms. Ramirez with the Achieve 3000 Weekly Challenge winners. Congratulations to Sarah Garza in 4th grade, Giovanni Llanos in 4th grade, and Mia Guy in 4th grade as well. Keep it up, guys. Very proud of you. Felicidades a los estudiantes que sobresalieron en Achieve 3000 por esta semana. Son Sara Garza en 4 grado, Giovanni Llanos en 4 grado y Mia Guy en 4 grado. Felicidades y siguen leyendo.
Thank you so much, Ms. Ramirez, and great job, boys and girls, and keep reading, reading, reading.
Hello, my mighty Falcons. This is Miss Lopez, your librarian, ready to announce my top AR readers for the week. Congratulations to Catalina Cardenas in 1st grade, Carly Cantu in 2nd grade, Aria Enriquez in 3rd grade, Ariani Castillo in 4th grade, and Maria Sainz Landeros in 5th grade. Congratulations. And everyone, say it with me, keep on reading.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Lopez, and congratulations, boys and girls. And just like Mrs. Lopez always reminds you, keep on reading. Now for our Falcons of the week, los estudiantes de la semana. In pre-K, we have Victoria del Ángel Ubayo, Camila Perez, Máximo Jasso, and Jimena Tavera. In kinder, we have Regina Pulido, Ariana Lopez, Joaquin Smith, Angelica Maruquin, Raúl Segovia, and Brooks Solorio. In 1st grade, we have Juliana Velez, Alexander Garcia, Elijah Sol, and Emmanuel Quiroz. In 2nd grade, we have Leslie Cruz Lozano, Gerardo Rodriguez, and Maximiliano Jimenez. In 3rd grade, we have Eva Quiroga, Alexa Torres, and Aria Enriquez. In 4th grade, we have Justin Valencia, Leslie Martinez, Jania Lopez, Alexia Becerra, and Diego Munoz. In 5th grade, we have Melanie Navarrete, Isaiah Mesikitik, and Atalia Mendez. In our specials classes, we have in PE, Mariano Quiroz, in library, Ari Enriquez, and in music, Juan Torres. Now we have our January Falcons of the month. Esos son los estudiantes del mes para enero. Our pre-K students of the month are Beverly Salinas, Davi Smith, and Aliani Bumagat. Our kindergarten students of the month are Miranda Rodriguez, Lucas Peña, Carlo Arredondo, Santiago Miranda, Raúl Segovia, and Olivia Alonso. Our 1st grade students of the month are Edgar Galindo, Janessa Torres, Catalina Cardenas, and Asael Perez. Our 2nd grade students of the month are Jaden Garza, Aimee Diaz, and Edgar Santoy. Our students of the month for 3rd grade are Michelle Torres, Mia Guy, and Sarah Bocanegra. Our 4th grade students of the month are Nala Martinez, Justin Garcia, Juan Torres, and Carla Aviles. Our 5th grade students of the month are Maybelline Torres, Sofia Miranda, Atlantis James, and Uriel Baez. Our students of the month for our specials classes are Carly Cantu, Miranda Reina Gonzalez in music. Carly Cantu in 2nd grade was in library. Miranda Reina Gonzalez in 3rd grade is in music. And in PE, also in 3rd grade, we have Eva Quiroga. As always, we want to remind all of you to work hard and be kind. Please, please, please stay safe. Take care of yourselves. We love each and every one of you very, very much. Por favor, cuídense. Nos queremos a todos. Bye.